Welcome to another episode of Santi Says. I'm your host, Al Santi. Today we're going to talk about in-law living. There's nursing, there's also in-law living, which is right here in your home. Kay contacted me about a year and a half ago, and she wanted to have a place where she can have her mother stay, and she knew that some of the rooms in her home wasn't going to be comfortable for her mother.
10 years ago or more, when I put on my living room addition, Al and his guys came over and built that. I mean, that was perfect. And I knew that when we decided to do this addition, that I certainly would use Al again because we were so happy with that living room.
My son looked at 60 nursing homes, assisted livings, and I went, he'd already made a payment down, and I thought, this is perfect. I went in, I ate lunch, I was there about an hour when I thought, this is not going to work. At that time I was well. I couldn't even use the bathroom. So then the manager who had worked so hard on this, I said, I won't be staying. And he said, well, really? I said, it's not the place for me. I won't be here.
There's all these things to be done that assisted living apartments really aren't set up that well to do.
I'm tall when I stand up, pretty tall, that I can't get up from anything that's low. So everything had to be a certain height or I couldn't get up. Al got down on the floor and measured my legs. He must have had a good ruler because everything's right.
So we're standing inside the addition now, and this is my favorite part of the addition itself is the kitchen area. Everyone's most comfortable there. The refrigerator, you can put canned goods in there, your drinks, your beverages, or your medication inside. The other thing is we've got this cute little pink microwave, and we got that sitting on top of the countertop. You can warm up all your meals on this, tea or whatever. There's no oven in here or no stove. That is not necessary in most cases. Most of the meals are made in the main kitchen of the main house. Now the TV was designed in this spot because the area is so compact. We felt that this was probably the best space for it. I want to talk about the seating area. Now I did design this so we could have a small table for 1 or 2 people. That'll fit 2 chairs, and it's about a 6x7 area that we designed. So this is a nice area for her to come. She's got oak floors and everything's real smooth for her, real easy for her to be mobilized inside this room. Next, what I want to do is go into the bathroom and show you some of the features we designed for her to make her more comfortable. All right, so here we are in the bathroom. This is probably the most important room for anybody that's handicapped. Now, that bathroom needs to have a minimum standards, the ADA compliant. So this bathroom is actually larger than ADA compliant, and we made it so it was comfortable for her mother. Where I'm standing is actually at the threshold of the shower. The shower has no curb down below here. It's just a walk-in. You can roll your chair right into the shower. It's easy for her to get in and out. All her controls are within arm reach from the chair. These are actually handles that she can grab onto if she wants to lift herself up a little bit out of the chair and get back down again. And we place them back here as well, as you can see, just for her mobility and comfortability. The shower wall's tile, the floors are tile, and we move over here to the toilet. Now the toilet has bars on both sides. That makes it easy for her to get out of the chair and onto the seat, onto the chair again. So these bars are very, very important. Thirdly is when she's coming into the room, she needs a really good access to the sink. So what we did is we created a big space that she can just wheel her chair right underneath the sink and get right to the faucet. It's a real easy reach for hot and cold water, so she can control the temperature the way she wants it. The last is I want to talk about, which is also very important, is the transition from wood to tile is actually flush. There is no threshold, there's no bump to go over. Very, very easy to maneuver in and out of the bathroom, and keeps her very mobile in this room. So this is a very important part of the room. In our design, we have to create some kind of storage space for closets, for clothing on both sides here. And then she wanted a laundry room, a laundry closet, so we were able to fit a laundry closet here for her. So she's totally independent. She can do her laundry anytime she likes.
It makes a big difference just to be able to get up and do it yourself. The way it's laid out, the shower, the laundry, the kitchenette and everything, the bed, everything about it, I can take care of myself.
It's time for my bonus tip. So we just came out of Kate's house. In addition to the ramp we built, we also replaced the stoop to a concrete stoop. The stoop, the stairs, and the sidewalk is all heated. It takes away that liability of ice, and it's another safety feature that you can add to your home. Thanks so much, ladies. That's all for this month's episode. We'll see you next month.